Siya na nga at natitinin na ako. Shoutout sa inyo lahat dyan, mga kabalaybay. Andito na ulit ako. Papasok na uli. Pupunta tayo ngayon sa Al Wakrah. Basta don't forget to like and subscribe, Kabatang ng Doha. Garto lang. Sa karsada tayo. Karsada tayo. Karsada. Oh my God, bigla akong napapreno doon. Kumusta baga kayo? Garni lang ang buhay ni Kabatang naman. Dito tayo ngayon sa Cornish area. Yan. Ito nyo ka. See this vlog. Go. This vlog. Yan, pero. You see? Ito tayo ng Al Wakrah. Gawa ng meron tayong buhaing box. Stop. Mga kabalaybay, don't forget to like and subscribe, Kabatang ng Doha. Ayan, yung garto na lang muna may ihatid ko sa inyong video, ha. Nasa museum tayo. Nasa tapat tayo ng museum. Ganda gadini. Ganda na, makakita nyo ka. This is Doha, Qatar. Visit at Doha, Qatar. All around the world, just visit Doha, Qatar. I love Qatar. Takatak. We're going to Al Wakrah. Kita nyo ka, mga kabalay-base. Diba? See? Chill lang tayo sa pagdadaan. Chill lang. Ayan, dito tayo. Going to Wakrah. Una, madadaan tayo dito sa airport. Sa new airport. Kita nyo ba? Yo! Traffic dito sa Doha, Qatar. Basta drive safely lang tayo. Drive safe lagi. Kumusta baga kayo? Shoutout nga pala sa nanonood sa akin. Alam ko nanonood ka, kaya shoutout sa iyo. Ikaw ay napatawad na. Good luck sa bagong yugto ng iyong buhay sa iyong boyfriend. Mga kabalaybay, maluwag dito. Kita nyo naman, walang ka-traffic. Chillax lang tayo. Chillax. Al Wakrah. Punta tayo ng Al Wakrah. It's a beautiful country, Doha, Qatar. Kita nyo ka ang landscape nila, maluwag ng karsada, sobrang linis. To all the foreigners there, European, just come visit. You will see the beautiful of Doha, Qatar. It's very, very nice and quiet. Good ambience. You have a lot of exploring. Let's come visit Doha, Qatar. Doha, Qatar. I love Qatar. No traffic. You see? What you call this street? This one F3? I don't know if this one is F3. I think this Jiri? I don't know what is the road of this, but this one is going to airport. Napakaganda ng Doha, Qatar. Explore Doha, Qatar. All around the world, just visit Doha, Qatar. Just come. It's very safe country. The culture of Qatar is good. Visit at Doha, Qatar. Good environmental. This one, who's the one see my video? Just come visit Doha, Qatar. And then you will say to yourself, I stay here in Doha, Qatar. Da-da-da-da-da. See, don't have traffic. This one going to Al Wakra. Where's Al Wakra? The other one? See the beauty of the Doha, Qatar. Down, down, and now, now, now. Oh. See? It's a lot of. Oh my God. Oh my God. Mistake. Sorry. Mistake. Sorry. Mistake. Sorry. Now will not mistake. Go. You will see the beauty of Al Wakra. Al Wakra area. This Al Wakra. Basta guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Ha? Kabatang ng Doha. You see the landscape. Look at this landscape. It's beautiful landscape. Beautiful plants. Now we will go to Municipal of Wakra. We will will see the beauty, one of tourist destination of. Oh my God, I lost my camera and then we go back again. You see? That one is Metro Station. Al Wakra Metro Station. You know Metro? It's a train. Al Wakra Metro Station. This one is the front of Al Wakra. The municipal of Al Wakra. To all the tourists, just hire me. I will tour to you in Doha, Qatar. All the place of here in Qatar, I will tour to you. Just contact me, Kabatangan Doha, if you want to tour here in Doha, Qatar. Only Friday, because I have a work. See? This is Al Wakra Metro Station. You will see? But upstairs, that is Al Wakra. The beautiful Wakra. The beautiful Wakra. It's very near in the Wakra. Here in Doha, Qatar. Now we were here in Al Wakra, one of the tourist destination. If you will come in Doha, Qatar, you will see, you will visit Al Wakra, a very simple city, Al Wakra. A very simple municipality, Al Wakra. Just come and visit Doha, Qatar, and you will see the beauty of Doha, Qatar. You will see the Al Wakra. This is it. This is it, the Al Wakra. They have also, here in Doha, they have souk. But Al Wakra, they have also old souk, that one. In my left side, you see on my left side, that is the Al Wakra souk. Al Wakra souk, Al Wakra souk. My left side. It's very beautiful. This way. my God, open the ways. Turn off.